Hello, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ako po si Madam P. At ito ang ating reading for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate or nakaka-resonate sa reading, okay lang yun. May mga next reading pa tayo. Be sure naka-follow ka, naka-subscribe ka sa channel na ito. And please do comment down below, guys. Kahit heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun. Pagpapakita ng suporta sa akin. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, Madam Space P, space pa sa dulo para mas madali mo siyang mas-search sa Facebook. May mga sinishare ako dyan na hindi ko sinishare dito sa YouTube, so you might want to check it out. Example is yung recent upload ko about uh, Pluto retrograde, ano ang maaaring maging effect nito sa atin, or yung pagbagal ng planetang Pluto which is nangyayari na ngayon, ano ang maaaring maging effect nito sa atin. Okay, so 5 of Cups, 8 of Cups. So this is your main energy. I feel like Earth sign, hindi ka okay ngayon, nalulungkot ka, nasasaktan ka. You are thinking about the future and for now, hindi ka sure about that. Maybe regarding your career or regarding dito sa mga bagay na tinatrabaho mo ngayon. You have a lot of the star, which is goals or gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, and you do have here the Hermit, maybe regarding your home. Pero sa ngayon, with the Seven of Swords, iniiwasan mo kasing harapin kung ano tong problema, iniiwasan mong harapin kung ano talaga yung mga dapat baguhin dito. And I feel like, oo nga, ginagawa mo yung best mo pagdating sa work or career mo or regarding your home or whatever this thing na inaalala mo ngayon, ginagawa mo yung best mo para dyan. Pero I feel like you are being emotionally immature kasi there are times na emotions yung nasusunod sa'yo kahit dapat ang masunod ay ang utak mo. Okay? So, who is this person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love? Earth sign, kakonect sa love. Person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love. For the sign of Earth sign. By the way, Unipri, UNIPRI, if you want to avail itong mga products namin, such as this, mga nakikita mo dito sa gilid, Lucky Charms, and protection. Sino to person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love? Okay, the person that you're dealing with, you have here the Ace of Swords, Five of Swords, and the Star. Gusto mo tong taong to, like, pangarap mo nga siya, gusto mo siya. The Ace of Swords, pwede lagi mong nasa isip tong person na to with the Five of Swords, pero pwede may mga masasaklap na experiences na nangyari sa inyo with the Page of Swords na naging dahilan para hindi maisakatuparan ang connection na ito. The Empress is here. You really do love or you really do like this person. Gusto mo siya. Nakakita ka ng growth sa kanya. And I feel like ramdam mo rin sa sarili mo na mas magkakaroon ka ng growth dahil sa tulong niya. I can see money, 10 of coins, and the 6 of coins is, 6 of cups is here. This is a person in the past with the Queen of Pentacles or Queen of Coins. Magaling siya. Magaling siya financially. May mga problem din siya financially, pero nakikita natin with the Judgment. Malakas siya, or of course problem pagdating sa financial, talaga naman dumadating sa buhay ng tao yan, no? But I can see that this person is workaholic. This person will do everything para masolusyonan yung bagay na yon. And yeah, I feel like you're thinking about this person. May connection dito eh, kaya lang mas more on, mas iniisip mo yung sakit ng kinahinatnan ng connection na yung dalawa. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. Yeah, I can see an ending sa connection nito, or things ended between the two of you. So, ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? By the way, pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles. Depende sa nangyayari sa iyo. For now, you are the 7 of Wands and the 6 of Swords. Okay, nag-move on ka. You're moving on, 7 of Wands, trying your best na huwag isipin itong taong ito. You're looking at your other options. Yung iba, you feel meron kayong spiritual connection itong person na to with the Knight of Coins, kaya nagiging matagal yung connection ninyo, but yung iba, tinatry mong wag magalit. Yung I feel like there's someone or some people around you na pwedeng magalit if you connect with this person. So, for now, you're moving on. Emosyon ng person na ito para sa'yo. Earth sign. Eight of Coins, of course, ang focus niya is money. Knight of Cups, and the Temperance. This person, naghihintay pa rin siya para sa'yo. Pero hindi naman kasi ibig sabihin na maghihintay ako tapos magmamakaawa ako, etc. Ganon. May mga plano pa rin sa buhay itong person na focus siya sa new beginning niya regarding sa mga plano niya. Naiisip ka niya pero hindi siya sigurado kung may pagtingin or pagmamahal ka ba para sa kanya. Yeah, I told you this person is for having problem financially. The Three of Coins, and hindi niya maiwasan na pwedeng magkaroon ng padagdag na gastusin sa side niya. So, there's problem. So, kumbaga, pwedeng part of this person is busy siya ngayon para isipin ka. Marang ganun. So, what will happen in the near future sa inyong dalawa? Yung iba, you could be having anxiety or depression, anxiety attack, I don't know. What will happen in the near future sa inyong dalawa? Okay, I feel good. Kunin na natin yung near future para sa inyong dalawa. Earth sign, you do have here the Ten of Wands and the Moon. Okay? The World, the High Priestess, Eight of Swords, the Tree of Life, and the World. So, nakakita tayo dito na Ten of Wands is about an ending. And the Eight of Swords, I feel like you will not be seeing each other. Of course, physically, nakikita natin may pagkakalayo. There's distance between the two of you. Pero spiritually connected ka dito sa person na to. There could be a spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa. Pwedeng lumabas pa rin itong person na to through your dreams. The Ten of Wands is here. Kaya lang sobrang daming responsibility para sa'yo. Ang daming problem and ang daming mong pasanin sa buhay dito. But I feel like you're not going to do anything. Kasi may mga bagay kang dapat i-release or i-let go. But I don't feel like you're going to do that. Okay, and the person na to, the more that you stay, parang nakikita natin yung iba sa inyo sunod-sunuran. Okay, sunod-sunuran sa kung ano man yung dinidikta ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Some of you, you're being manipulated, pero yung iba hindi naman. There's just fears here, takot, para gumawa ng isang hakbang patungo or para sa connection ninyong dalawa. So, ito person na to with the World, I can see distance, pagkakalayo, at not seeing eye to eye. And, yeah, there's mystery regarding this connection in the near future. Actually, this connection, sinasabihan, the Fool is here. You need to take the risk. You need to take the risk. Kasi pag di ka nag-take ng risk, walang mangyayari eh. Four of Swords, nothing is going to happen. Magiging mananatiling panaginip lang tong taong kung na pinapangarap mo. And the Two of Coins is here. Hindi ka pwedeng maging wishy-washy. You should know kung ano talagang gusto mo. Kung sino talagang gusto mo. Ano dapat talagang gawin mo. Alam mo naman yan eh. Kasi the Nine of Wands is here. Ang kalaban mo dito is yung sarili mo. Can you see this person sitting on the stairs? Gusto mong umakyat or gusto mong magkaroon ng growth yung connection ninyong dalawa. Pero hindi ikaw mismo hindi tumatayo or nag-i-step up. Hindi ka gumagawa ng action or whatsoever. So, you are the problem here. So, ayan, hindi ko sugarcoating yung reading natin, ha? You know what you want. The Empress is here. Mahal mo tong taong to, the Ace of Cups. Mahal mo, gusto mo tong taong to, the Empress. Malaki ang paghanga mo sa kanya. Ace of Coins, magkakaroon lang ng new beginning kung hindi mo pagdududahan ang connection ninyong dalawa. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.